What is being produced now is GSE002. This is an imitation wood grain natural style panel, thickness 16 mm, width 383 mm, and length can be customized. The installation is very simple and quick by using snap-fitted pieces on the wall. Generally, a household house can be completed in 1 to 2 hours. The board is very light with 3-meter panel, the weight only about 3.6 kg. Using high-density PU form, Goldstone achieves better thermal insulation effect while pursuing lighter weight. Explore more possibilities for your house design.